things you can't wash. Freshen them with Febreze. Because Febreze doesn't just cover up odors. It penetrates deep into fabrics to eliminate odors and leaves a light, fresh scent. Just another way Febreze helps you breathe happy.
Dandruff flakes need Selsun Science. Sayonara.
You really spazzing out, ain't you?
Root of dandruff, washing flakes out and putting moisturizers in. Selsun Blue. And for severe dandruff, get Selsun Blue Deep Cleansing Microbead Scrub.
Sex? Well, that's different. So you have to get a little creative. Dryness? Sexy.
Poise invites you to enhance intimacy with our exciting lubricant. Join the second talk on Poise.
So, you say men are superior drivers?
Yeah.
Then how do I get this?
Safe driving bonus check. Every 6 months without an accident, Allstate sends a check. Silence.
If there was a pill to help protect your eye health as you age, would you take it?
Well, there is. It's called Ocuvite, a vitamin totally dedicated to your eyes from the eye care experts at Bosch. As you age, eyes can lose vital nutrients. Ocuvite helps replenish key eye nutrients. Ocuvite has a unique formula found in your multivitamin to help protect your eye health.
Now that's a pill worth taking.
Ocuvite helps
You tired yet?
your eye health.
He could be the one. Soulmate. Husband. Loving father to your children.
No, she kissed you.
First, you've got to get him to say hello.
You kiss your boyfriend? Look at your little nasty face. Go get it. Go get it.
And whiten your teeth in just 2 days. What will a 3D White smile do for you? New Crest 3D White toothpaste. Life opens up when you do.
Other cold and cough medicines can settle. Try Medic Nighttime Cold and Cough has perfect mixed technology, so the medicine is always evenly distributed to help your child get the right amount of medicine every time. Trust and try Medic.
Get in.